Hey guys, welcome to another episode. So in the previous episode, I dropped off the jet ski at Don's Kawasaki, and I literally just got a phone call saying that the jet ski is finished. And right now I'm on my way to go and pick it up. So yeah, we're gonna vlog the kind of, not the whole way, obviously it'd be like a really long video, but just different sections of the route. But for now, they did oil pump, they did some kind of plate, I don't really remember. They also did crankshaft position sensor, and a few other things. But the jet ski starts, it turns on and runs, idles higher, but the check engine light is still on. Right now it's December, so the guys we're getting slammed with other work, and I was like, all right, I'll just go pick it up. At least it's running right now. That's the thing that I really wanted it to be, is to run. As long as that hurdle is overcome, we just have to figure out what the check engine lights are doing, and those are just nitpicky little things. I think I'm going to replace the throttle position sensor, because when I first, so the motor was in and out like 3 or 4 times. Sometimes forgetting something, other times it's just stupid. But the last time I put it in, the position sensor wire got cut between the actual intake manifold and the actual jet ski. So I'm probably just gonna get, just say whatever, get a new position sensor. I'm probably gonna be doing a lot of new sensors, just so it has nothing to complain about with sensors wise. So for right now, I'm gonna go pick her up. It's been 3 months. Obviously for you guys it's literally the next video, so yeah, we're on the way. Go pick her up. It's gonna be a nice 2.5 hour drive from where I'm at to go pick her up, and then 2.5 hour drive to get her back home. So I'm just happy to get her back. So let's go get it, and I'll take a video when we get there. Good morning, guys. I didn't film too much yesterday of getting the jet ski, but it was dark anyway. But here she is. She is finally back. Make sure no water got in here. No, this is all fine. Finally got her back. It's literally been like 3 or 4 months. I don't even remember. And this thing was all buffed and clean, but hey, it sat outside, and what can you do? Everything. I want to do like a crazy like color combo on this, like a hydro dipping. I think that'd be really cool. But another thing I still gotta do is see if this thing floats, because when I bought it, I had some cracks repaired underneath. So hopefully that doesn't disrupt anything. So yeah, this is where we're at, and I'm freaking excited. I might even turn it on for you guys. Let me set the camera down and start her up. Let's see. Yeah, let me set the camera down, and I'll get back to you guys in 1 second. He's running there, brother! Oh, she's running there, brother.
She's hot.
Yeah, she is hot.
You put a new battery in it?
Yep.
They did?
No, I did.
Oh.
Freaking, I gotta put some
What the fuck is that?
antifreeze. That's like the part of the exhaust system. That's why I want to take out all that baffling. Just fucking straight out.
Okay, just get it running.
Dude, this thing is gonna be... Dude, this thing revs up to 8,000 RPM.
Oh!
Dude.
Why is the check engine light on though?
There's something still wrong. Because like when I held it down...
Like breaks up?
Yeah, you see that? So like I think it doesn't know the throttle position because I'll open it and it won't know what to do. So I'm gonna order a throttle position sensor and a intake temp sensor because I stripped that wire.
Just take it in the water. What do you say?
Dude,
Oh, okay.
I'll fucking put it in the water.
You just gotta go get like a wetsuit or something.
Yeah, it's gonna be fucking cold.
Oh, you die out there.
Oh yeah. Dude, this thing's a freaking unit. Love it. 60 mile an hour easy on the water.
Let's push it.
No, that's easy. That's easy right there. All right, guys, this will conclude the video. Getting the jet ski back. We got some things to do, so I'll keep you updated in the next video. Look at this guy in the robe. So cute. So cute. All right, guys, see you in the next episode.